Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. First of all, I thank to Allah because who created everything in this world. Guys, today environment is very beautiful because the sun has rise today. The fog has closed today. So বলা যায় যে আজকের আবহাওয়াটা খুব সুন্দর। Hi guys, yesterday I was thinking where I will go. At last I decided I will go very nice and attractive place. So today I will go very nice and attractive place. Let's go. Guys, we are watching forward in the sky. An aeroplane is flying in the sky. So let's go. We will watch this aeroplane. Let's go. Guys, there are many kinds of flowers blooming around the Biman Chatur area. This place is very nice and beautiful. Hi guys, welcome from Biman Chatur area at Rajshahi. You are welcome, everybody. You are welcome. I hope you will come to Rajshahi Biman Chatur area and enjoy this place because this place is very nice and attractive. So let's enjoy.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 still go, 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 slow, go.
Guys, maybe sometimes I will go there a few times. You don't mistake this place, I hope. So let's go and see, enjoy. We will enjoy this place. Let's go. Guys, I will finish my video. So friends, welcome to Rajshahi, Bimanchhator Rajshahi. I hope you will healthy and well. And at last, if you like my video and if you like my Rajshahi, so please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, see you by next video. Tata, bye bye.